What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we're here to talk about HYMC and one of our new favorite CEOs, Miss Diane Garrett, man. She is on a roll right now on this company. She's doing really great on Twitter. We're going to go over all the information that she shared with us today on Twitter. We're also going to take a look at the premium FinTel information and see what's going on with all that. So hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, please smash thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. It helps out that algorithm. Man, I hope the market doesn't suck today. First, we're going to go to the FinTel and get you that information. We can see the total shares outstanding is 196.8 million. So we're going to keep track of the total shares outstanding on HYMC and see if we get increases down the road so we can keep up to date if there's any future dilution. Also, now, let's go take a look at the short interest and see what's working here. We're going to take a look at the short squeeze score, guys. 92.23, ranked 51 out of over 5,500 stocks. This is in the top almost 50 short squeeze score potential stocks. Go out here and take a look at the gamma squeeze score, 73.08, ranked 310 out of 439. Go here to short shares that are available is 2.3 million. And short bar fee is a 23.32. Ironic enough, we have seen the fee come down from where it has been. At one point it was over like 100 some 200%, and now it's been going from 70, you see 50, 40, now down to 30 and down to 20. And that could be due to the volume, which I'm going to show you here later on. We are still getting great volume, just not those 100 million plus, 500 million plus volume days we were seeing. We're coming back down a little bit more realistic style volume, but there's still more volume traded in this stock than a lot of the other stocks out there. FINRA short volume ratio is a 53.03, and that is the dark pools, guys. And the aggregate short volume ratio is a 54.74, and that's from the FINRA, CBOE, and the PSX. So in the aggregate total volume, 16.3 million shares were traded between those brokerages. Now, over here on Yahoo Finance, we're going to get our information. During the regular trading hours, we're up 2.31%. We gave back 1.8%. We ended the day at $2.17. So we ended the day green, considering that the market was mainly red today, I want to say. So for a, I guess you would say a risk-on stock like this, a high-risk stock, considering this kind of bear market, for this to stay green is pretty good. And by the way, did you notice the new backdrop we got for our HYMC videos? We got Diane Garrett there with the rocket emoji that matches her pin pretty much. It's very close. So that's why that rocket emoji is below the HYMC. That is the one on her pin. If you're an HYMC shareholder, you understand why the rocket emoji, that specific rocket emoji, is there. I don't need to really explain it to you, but you should know. All right. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look, guys. So the average volume is 50.2 million, and we trade at 24.4 million. So about half of the volume was traded that is normally traded, and this has been coming down because this had the huge hype from the AMC, and now it's coming back to more regular, I guess you would say, volume. But there's still a lot of excitement stuff, man. We had the Elon Musk tweet going out about talking about getting into mining stocks. So there's a lot of speculation about the HYMC, how we're very close to the Texas Gigafactory. So that would be pretty nice if something can happen there. And we got the big press release today. Hycroft Mining announces new board directors. This is the actual press release here. Diane Garrett shared this herself. Hycroft Mining announces 2 board appointments. Now, I'm not going to go too detailed into this, guys, because we're going to watch a video from Diane Garrett herself where she introduces Mr. Stephen Lang and Sean Goodman. And I'm going to let her do that as we go here to her video as we got queued up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away and deactivate my camera so we can focus on Miss Diane Garrett and her interview here in case you didn't see it. So we're going to watch it here together. All right, so let me deactivate this. There we go. All right.
Hi guys, Diane Garrett here from Winnemucca, Nevada. I'll be shooting video this week at Hycroft highlighting our project, but I want to make sure that you saw our news today. Our partnership with AMC continues to grow as we welcome Sean Goodman of AMC to our board of directors to represent the significant investment that AMC has made in Hycroft Mining. Sean is the Executive Vice President, Chief Financial Officer at AMC, and his skill set in strategic finance across multiple industries will complement the talents of our existing board and bring new ideas and diverse views for development of this world-class North American asset. As many of you know, AMC Entertainment and renowned precious metals investor Eric Sprott breathed new life into Hycroft with last month's $56 million private equity placement. Also, our board appointed Steve Lang to serve as board chair. Steve has served on Hycroft's board since 2021 and is currently chair of Hymc Minerals with more than 40 years of experience in the mining industry. Steve will help guide us through this next chapter of developing Hycroft, as well as our efforts to look for new opportunities to grow the company and create additional value for our shareholders. For more information, check out our press release on the Hycroft website. It's an exciting time in the life of our gold and silver project, and we are thankful for each and every stakeholder who supports our efforts.
All right, so there it is. I'm going to get the camera back here. All right, and I just want to say, man, what is there not to love about Miss Diane Garrett? It's just something about when she's on the screen, that smile, her presence, her aura, as you say, it just makes you happy. It makes you excited to be a shareholder. I feel she's being very 100% honest and genuine when she speaks, and it puts a smile on my face seeing her out there speaking. So comment down below. I'm just curious, do you all get that same vibe? Usually you kind of get the first impression, and my first impression, as I said from the first videos, she's fantastic. I love her. I love her as a CEO of this company. I'm a proud shareholder, and I will be buying the dip on this one because this is going to be just amazing in the future once they can get those thousands and hundreds of thousands of ounces of gold and silver out of this mining facility, man. It's going to be exciting. So she broke down there the two main people that we got now. So we want to go over real quick. She said here about Mr. Stephen Lang has over 40 years experience in the mining industry, including engineering, development, and production of gold, copper, coal, and platinum group metals operations. And here you can see Mr. Lang is chair of Hymc Minerals and was chief executive officer of Cetera Gold from 2008-2012. So this gentleman is highly qualified. Let's get here to the next one. Mr. Sean Goodman. Mr. Goodman is executive vice president and chief financial officer of AMC. He has more than 30 years experience in strategic planning, capital markets, and finance. Prior to joining AMC, Mr. Goldman was chief financial officer of Asbury Automotive Group, and that was a New York Stock Exchange company as well. So two highly qualified individuals to be a part of Hycroft Mining, and I'm super excited about it, man. Here you can see she was pretty active today. This first link here is...
Hi guys, Diane Garrett here from Winnemucca, Nevada.
All right, so this first link was this here of the board changes. They have the official press release there. We just watched the video where Mr. Lang has vast experience in mining industry and is exceptionally qualified to lead Hycroft's next phase. And she says, Mr. Goodman's skill set in strategic finance and demonstrated at AMC Theaters will bring new ideas and smart guidance to this world-class asset, HYMC. And here we go with the other tweet here she has out. She goes, I am pleased to announce two exciting new developments at Hycroft Mining Board. Stephen Lang has assumed the role of chair to lead us through the next chapter in our development. AMC CFO Sean Goodman is joining the board to strengthen our partnership, our new partnership. Welcome. So there we go, guys. Super exciting stuff coming down the pipeline for Hycroft Mining. And just seeing if I don't miss anything that I retweeted all her stuff on my page. Here's the post that Elon Musk did where he says the price of lithium has gone to insane levels. Tesla might actually have to get into mining and refining directly at scale unless the cost improve. There's no shortage of its element itself, as lithium is almost everywhere on Earth, but the pace of extraction and refinement is slow. So as we can see here, people comment. We got Tara Bull commenting on here. And she says, check out Hycroft Mining with 71,000 acres right by your gigafactory in northern Nevada. Oh, I said Texas. It's Nevada. And here you can see she has the map up here. Great DD of the Tesla Gigafactory in Nevada and the Hycroft mining. Right there's Hycroft, and here's Tesla Gigafactory. So I said Texas, but I meant the Nevada one. So sorry about that. So we got that corrected there. So there you can see the Thacker Pass, Nevada lithium deposit, one of America's largest lithium deposits. That would be huge, man. Not only do we get we already got the AMC deal, but could you imagine if we get a deal with Tesla? Let's go. That'd be super exciting. So, guys, that's all I got for you in today's video. Comment down below your thoughts. You buying, you selling, you buying dip, just holding. So hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, make sure you smash thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm, and I'll catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.